third example on simple integration. Integration of 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square minus cos x dx. It's very simple, but we have to know about the formula related to that integration. Therefore, taking I is equal to integration of 1 by under root 1 minus x square minus cos x dx. I is equal to integration of, I am separating it, integration of 1 by under root 1 minus x square minus integration of cos x dx. So integration of 1 by under root 1 minus x square is equal to sine inverse x, and integration of cos x is equal to minus sine x. By using the formula, we should have to know about formula. It's very simple. Sine inverse x. Yeah, I am telling to you about the formula. Integration of 1 by under root. This is final answer, huh? This is final answer. I am making here square type. Integration of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x, and cos x dx, integration of cos x dx is equal to sine x. Yeah, it's very simple. Now we will be taking fourth example on simple. We are starting integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square minus cos x divided by sine square x dx. So I is equal to integration is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square minus cos x divided by sine square x dx. So we know that integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse. So we should have to separate them first. I am separating it. Integration 1 divided by 1 plus x square minus integration of cos x sine square x dx. So this is tan inverse x. By using the formula, tan inverse x minus cos x divided by sine x into 1 divided by sine x, because there sine square, sine x into sine x is equal to sine square, is equals to I integration is equals to tan inverse x minus what is cos by sine, cot. We should know our formula about all that. Cot x into 1 by sine is equal to cos x 6x into dx. Don't forget to write dx. And then I is equal to tan inverse x minus integration of cot x into cos x dx. I am writing interchangeability like cos x into cot x dx. So integration is equal to tan inverse x minus cos x, this is minus, cos x plus c. By using the formula, cos x into cot x dx is equal to minus cos x. Therefore I am writing here sine cos x. Therefore final answer I am writing here tan inverse x plus minus into minus plus. You should have to know cos x plus c. This is our final answer on simple integration. If you like video, please share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Devid Tech for more information about science, math and technology videos. Thank you. Bye.